we may need to do a little massaging here, but from what I believe, I think we're moving this whole firewall back here, so we shouldn't have to do no tubs in the front of this truck. We're just going to do a smooth firewall with some bead rolling on it, move everything back, and
69 C10 Firewall update. So where we're at right now, we had the old heater hole filled up. We got the whole basic thing recessed back. The passenger side is all welded in, metal finish, bead rolled. Turned out awesome. The passenger side's pretty much buttoned up. There's a couple little spot holes that we found, but you can see all this is welded up. All this little structure fillers are all made. We're pretty much there. You got a small spot here. We have to weld in this metal finish this when it's said and done. But the passenger side, I would say, is about 95% done. Our real main work is what we got going on the driver's side over there. Kind of run into a little situation on the driver's side. We have the patch panel made, but long story short, I sold this guy a new cab and I thought it was good. This whole section underneath this cowell was rotted. So stand-up guy, sucks, but we rebuilt the whole entire side over here. Joey's been killing it. Problem is, Joey had to leave. Joey ran into an emergency, so I'm hoping we still get it done this week. This whole section here that's under the cowell, Joey had to basically hand build this whole corner. So this is one piece. They had to basically repair in here. That's one piece. This section's a piece here, welded across there and there. So there's a ton of work just in this section. So this is what sucks, is when you buy a product and you think it's good, and then you find this hidden gem underneath it when it's said and done. So this part of the project's on me. All I can say is stay tuned, man. Hopefully you guys see the final product.
Fucking frustrating. Where are my clamps at? Hold on, no. Huh. Ha ha ha. Yeah.
Port?
Yeah.
I am calling number 2. Hey, at least it ain't like 10, 15, 20.
See, and this is why I didn't want to do the Firewall until this corner was built. Because when he made the template, all this stuff was pushed in. Come look. So now that's what I got to deal with.
Oh.
Yeah.
There ain't no welding that.
No, there's not. So I'm going to have to weld this in, then I'm going to have to cut it out, and then put a whole strip in. But the problem is getting clamp in when you can't get in there. There we go. Please hold. checked all the grounds, put more grounds in. What else will cause it?
Can't get the blinkers or flasher to work. The lights come on, but they don't blink.
Your caller number 3 in the queue.
Wait a minute. I'm caller number 3 now.
What were you?
2.
David got
This is why I don't like calling people. Three out of how many?
My understanding, he says you got a bunch. Yep. BFH.
Hey boss, look at that. I can use a pry bar and pry that a little bit out. Is that them?
That's one truck.
Alright, so right now I'm in the middle of getting this panel in. I gotta get this guy in. Once I get this guy in here and fitted the way it's supposed to be, then I can get this outer cowl put back on. Next thing that's in line, or I gotta finish getting these rockers installed, because right now they're just screwed and clamped on both sides. I gotta get my transmission tunnel finished up. After that, I have the inside window lip that I got. It's all fitted. I gotta get it all welded in. The rear window lip is all fitted. Gotta get it all welded in. I got a couple little patches back here in the corners, and then get my dash in it. Welding's gonna be the final thing on this. Once I get this fitted, this will get welded in, then this panel will be welded in, and then this corner will be done. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Like, comment, subscribe.